Hi guys, Tuva here. It's Thursday, it's Thor's dog. It is a lovely day to be doing a devotion to the great god Thor. He's a lovely god to be working with. He's so easygoing, yet so powerful. And his presence is always known. You can always tell when Thor is around, not just by the weather. And I'm holding a feather, guys, because it's my favourite feather. And one of the reasons I'm holding it is because also I use it in my devotional to him. There are things that are related to him, and one of them is you can use sage and other things to cleanse. He likes the purity around him. His colour is ocean blue, denoting the sea and the things around it, so we can see how much he likes water and air and everything that is airy and light. You're coming towards the end of a working week and you're starting to get that relaxed feeling coming over you, but it's also a time to look at what's going on in your life, and if there's situations that you need to be resolving. Thor is a great god for that, to take things to him. And when we give offerings up into the sky, come incense, fire, whatever it is that you like to use, it will reach him, and he is our, what's the word? He's the one that protects Midgard. He's the one that protects us. And so we need to give him thanks and give him our love and our honour and our interest. For if you was doing that for everybody, you'd expect to be thought of at least. And this is a good day to be able to do it. It's also related to the oak tree. So you could go out for a walk to the local park, to an oak tree, and give your offering there. Now again, like Odin, he does like his beer and his mead, but obviously beer is a lot more accessible, and even though it can be a bit costly, it's not as costly as the other stuff. And to be honest, in his mind, he don't care. He doesn't mind. He accepts all offerings, and that is our wonderful Thor. Now blue is his colour, as I just said, so I have a blue altar cloth. I have my statue of Thor and his wife. So they're together in the water, funnily enough. Thor also loves food. So anything, he'll accept anything. But if you get a piece of oak while you're out and you can carve it and use it in your rituals, that is also great. You're spending time with him and giving of yourself. So ask him to show you what it is that you need to be doing to have that relationship with him. Okay, so on the altar we have Thor's hammer, his drink, which can be beer or mead. I have my sage stick and my statue with a candle, a light. Okay guys, so that's the altar. Not a lot more to it. I just wanted you to realise what it is I like to put on my altar, because it helps you if you're just starting, and it can give you ideas. I haven't got a proper hammer, but I made this one and I think it's okay. I've lit my sage and I really want it to be burning. Need to really get it going. So here is the sage stick. You can bless yourself with the sage. You can take the whole dish if you've got one. They're brilliant for this. And you can hold it and waft it over yourself. Almighty Thor, I praise you today. Your name upon my lips. I do ask your blessing. I also come to you and give you the glory. For you, the thunder god that has the power to save us from the might of the giants, the might of all that might befall this wonderful land, that you are our protector and you are always there. Oh, great Thor, bless this Mjolnir, so that as I wear it, your power will be there, your blessing will be there, and you will be there. Every time I touch it upon my neck, I will feel your protection and your guidance whilst I breathe. Thank you for all you do for us, for you are the mightiest, powerful protector of Midgard, of us. And thank you, dear Thor. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I pray for all those in need of your energy this day, that you will notice who they are and send your guidance and protection. For the weather we have been receiving of late, you have been so busy. We have had many thunderstorms and lightning bolts, and we have had so much rain. And we know that your presence is with us. So I come this day, on a very cloudy day, to give you honour and praise. You are a wonderful God, and as such I give you my praise this day. Hail Thor, hail Thor, hail mighty Thor. Hail and farewell. There you go, guys. Not really that hard to be doing. I find with Thor it's all about giving of your feelings, the air within you, giving that might that you want to get through. It doesn't matter what words you say. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be restricted in the way you act and the way that you are. For Thor knows who you are. He knows your heart and he knows exactly your needs. But to voice them is a good way of starting a relationship with him. I hope that's helped you today, guys. A very quick one. I'm not going to hang around on these. I want you to get the essence of what it is to be giving devotions. It's a thing that you need to spend as little time as possible, for if you do long rituals, you're going to get fed up with doing them. If it's something quick and easy to do, you will do them. And gradually, you will build them up to something a bit longer by writing down what you receive, what you feel, what things happened during the day, what you can achieve from it. And the relationships will grow with the gods and the goddesses. And so I'm going to leave it there today. Hope you're all well. Hope you have a fantastic day on Thor's Day. And I will be back tomorrow with Friday, a very special day for me, Freya's Day. So I will see you tomorrow, wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be. I wish you the best ever. House of Alang.